Assalamualaikum, I am NUR SYAfiqah binti Zambri and my metric number H21A20474. In frequency distribution, we have 5 steps. For the step 1, decide on the number of classes. For the step 2, determine the class interval of Y. For the step 3, set the individual class limits. Step 4, make a tally mark for each data entry in the approach class. And for the step 5, the number of tally mark for a class is the frequency for the class. In this table, you can see this have two columns, which is classes and frequency. For graphical method, we decide to use frequency polygon and OGIF. Frequency polygon is the line graph that emphasizes the continuous change in frequencies. So right now, we have the table and graph that present the frequency, and the table shows the data set for frequency, and we have classes, midpoint, and frequency. For OGIS, we have classes, upper boundaries, frequency, and cumulative frequency. The table for horizontal scalar is a frequency, and for vertical scalar is upper boundaries.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FARIHIN binti RASHID. My metric number H21A20402. Today I will inform about measure of central tendency. The formula for mean is total fx divided by n, which is 3294 divided by 60 equal to 54.9. So the mean for data 54.9.
For median formula, we use median equal to LM, refer to lower class boundary of median classes plus open bracket. We have n divided by 2 minus summation m minus 1 divided by fm, close bracket, and time by c. However, for mode formula is the equal to LM, refer to lower class boundary of the model class plus upper bracket, change 1 device to change 1 plus change to close bracket, time to C.
Is measure of variation. Formula range is maximum data entry minus with minimum data entry, which is from maximum data entry is 109 and minimum data entry is 19. So 109 minus with 19 equal to 90. So the range here is 90. For variance and standard deviation, there are two steps. First is find sample variance with the formula 1 divide n minus 1 in bracket total fx to the power of 2 minus the total in bracket x to the power of 2 divide n. So 1 divided by 60 minus 1 in bracket 2007 982 minus 10,080,000 8,050 436 divided by 60 equal 460.0237. So the answer is 460.0237. For sample standard deviation, S is the sources of power, S power of 2. So the sources of power 460.0237 equal to 21.4. To find class A first quartile is n divide 4 equal to 15. So the class is 32 to 44. For third quartile is 3n divide 4 equal to 45. So class is 58 to 70. Next, measure of position. Formula for first quartile is lower boundary first quartile plus in bracket n divide by 4 minus frequency class previous divide frequency first quartile multiply cumulative frequency first quartile. So 31.5 plus in bracket 15 minus 13 divided by 5 multiply 18 equal to 38.7. Third quartile is equal to lower boundary third quartile plus in bracket n divide by 4 minus previous frequency class divide frequency third quartile multiply cumulative frequency third quartile. So 57.5 plus in bracket 45 minus 14 divided by 15 multiplied by 47 equal to 154.63. Last interquartile range, which is third quartile minus first quartile. So 154.63 minus 38.7 equal 150.93.
And this is shape of data description.
Hello, my name is NURSHAHJEHAN binti Muhammad EFENDI SHAH. My metric number is H201A3025. Okay, I want to us about the part B is introduction to the data and variables involved. Data refer to observation and instrument has been collected in some way. Data that is recorded as numbers. Variable are the characteristic or attributes that you are observing, measuring, and recording data. For some example include height, weight, eye color, dog breed, climate, electrical conductivity, customer service satisfaction, and class attendance, just to name a few. Thank you. That's
Assalamualaikum, my name is ZULFIKRI MOHD. My part is compute the person product movement, correlation coefficient, and explain the value of obtained. The table show principal statistic of labor force in Kelantan. First, find the value of X2, Y2, and XY and put them in the provided table. For example, for the year 1982, the X value is 304.3. Find X2 by squaring the value 304.32 equal to 92598.49. The value of Y is 50.2. Square that to find Y2. 15.22231.04. The value of XY for that year is 304.3. 15.2 equal to 4925.36. Repeat the same procedure of the other year and complete the table. Next, find the sum of each X, Y, X2, Y2. Just add the interest in each column and obtain the following sum. For example, for EX, add all the X values. X equal to 304.3 plus 282.5 plus 332.3 plus 323.6 plus 682.4, and we get the answer. That's all. You can share the formula. For example, not then is the number of pair of data, count the number of pair, and the result is 36. Since there are 36 pair, n equal to 36.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FADZELI bin ISMAIL. I will present about regression equation. A regression equation is used instead to find out what relationship, if any, exists between set of data. For example, if you measure a child head every year, you will find that they grow about 3 inches a year. That trend can be modeled with a regression equation. In fact, most things in the world can be modeled with sign of equation. It allows us to predict future event. Okay, let's start with our formula that have been provided in the slide. Okay, first 660.2 multiply with 82211 to 4.17 minus with 86723.30 multiply with 310870.19, then divide with 36 multiply 82211 to 4.17 minus 16723.3 square, and we will get 14.0446. Then we will use the following formula for the slope of B1. Okay, first 36 multiply with 31087 0.19 minus with 16723.3 multiply with 660.20. Then divide with 36 multiply 8221124.7 minus 1623.3 square. Then we'll get the answer with 0.0092. So therefore the estimate regression equation is y is 14.0446 plus 0.0092x. That's all from me. Thank you.